Hi and welcome back to my channel. Again, my name is Stephanie and I filmed this New Year's Eve makeup tutorial. It's pretty quick and it's super easy. It only has a few shades and just a pop of color. So I hope you enjoy and let's get started. Alright, so let's get started. I already did my foundation, concealer, and eyebrows just to save a little bit of time. And I'm gonna go in now with my Chanel Beige powder, but I actually use it as a bronzer and it's in the color medium deep. So I like to use a small brush first with this just because it goes on really natural. Now, because this is like really natural, I'm also going to go in again with the Cover FX bronzer and again tap into both of them just to add a little more dimension and bronze. I love a really bronze and glowy look. All right, so now that that's done, I am moving on to eyes. I am going to prime with the MAC Painterly Paint Pot. I prefer soft ochre just because it's a little more yellow. This one's a little too pink, but bought it. It's a little too late to return it, and we are going to make it work. So I'm going to set that now with a neutral lid color. Now I like to make my own palettes, so this is a combination of MAC shadows, Joseph Colors shadows, some ColourPop shadows, and then I'll list those all below if you want to know what color I used. But I'm just going to take a really neutral color and set all over the lid. I'm going to take my MAC 224 and go into a warm brown. For all over the lid, I'm taking a really coppery gold color and putting that all over the lid. All right, so now that I have my crease color down and I have my lid color, I'm going to go in with a darker warm brown than the first one to add a little bit of dimension in the corners. After I add that, I go back in with my fluffy brush and just blend it all together one more time. Then I take a really small pointed brush and go into an even darker brown and go just in the outer V. And again, going back in with the fluffy brush and blending that in together. Now, depending on how dark or how light you want it to be, you can always go back and repeat these steps until it's as blended and dark as you want it. So now with this same skinny fluffy brush, I'm gonna take the first crease color brown and run it underneath. Now, since the brush had a little bit left over from the other browns, it gives me like this really smoky effect, which I absolutely love. All right, so now that that's done, I'm going to curl my lashes and put on mascara. I'm gonna use the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir mascara. I know this is kind of a little bit more of a bolder eye look, but I definitely wanted to add a red lip. I'm probably just gonna be home for New Year's Eve, but it's still fun to dress up a little bit and make yourself feel great. So I'm using MAC's Cherry lip liner to line my lips and then filling in with the YSL Red #1 lipstick. All right, so that completes this super easy and hopefully quick New Year's Eve makeup tutorial. I hope you guys all have a safe and healthy New Year's Eve and enjoy 2021. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. For that, you have energy. My dog doesn't like the mailman, and apparently she was very sick today. It doesn't feel that sick to bark at the mailman today.